Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victor. In my previous videos, I talk about two arbitrage scanner that you can use in order to look for an arbitrage opportunity and where you can start making money. And today we'll be talking about the third one, which is another crypto arbitrage scanner that I love using. And you can also make money by checking out this website. Now, before I go on, I would like to say that information provided in this video should not be taken as legal or financial advice. I'll be responsible for my profit and loss, and you should also be ready to take responsibility for your profit and loss. Now, with that said, we are going to talk about the third one, and the name of the third one is called Crypto Night or Coin Night, coinnight.com. That's the name of the third site that we're going to talk about. Now, when you get to this site, although there are other features that you can use on this site, and this is the one that we are mainly, that really concerns us, and which is the arbitrage opportunity. And here on this site, it is sectionalized into different kind of arbitrage. I have talked about these in one of my videos, and you can watch it. If you have not watched that, I explain in details how to use all of these arbitrage opportunity. Now, the interesting thing I like about this website is that they have updated their site, because before you don't have this search with volume, and you don't have disabled wallets, and then you are unable to put the amount you have. But presently now you can do that. If you are using $100, for example, you input $100 and you click on go, then it's going to bring about the arbitrage opportunities you have for that rate. As you can see, this is the highest for now, which is around 1.27%, and you can find that on BTC, and also you send it to Binance and sell for profit. So one thing that I used to say that in crypto, the higher the money you use, the higher the profit. So if you are using 5,000, for example, let us just search with 5,000 and see what it's going to give us. We are using 5,000 USD. Can you see that the profit is high? For 5,000 USD, one will be getting around $729. And like I said in my previous video, I talk about timing. That timing is very important when you are doing arbitrage. Look at this. It tells you how many minutes it's going to take for you to transfer this coin called Rari from MXC to sell on Coinbase Pro. So you can see it says 3.5 minutes, and you can see the network confirmation and all of that. You'll be able to see it on this site. So this is one of the reasons I love Coin Night so much, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video so that you can check it out, and also you can start using it. Now, you can go for direct arbitrage, you can go for triangular arbitrage, you can go for loop arbitrage, you can go for intra-exchange arbitrage and intra-loop arbitrage. The one that I like using the most is this intra-exchange arbitrage. But one thing is that at a point in time, you may not have the opportunity like I mentioned earlier. For example, now there's no arbitrage opportunity right now using intra-exchange arbitrage. Now, if there is none for now, that means that you can come back at a later time and check for arbitrage opportunity, because no arbitrage opportunity lasts long. And one thing is that arbitrage is now being traded with bots. You can trade arbitrage. I'm not talking about those sites that will tell you to bring certain amount of money, and they will tell you to introduce someone, and that you are that they will tell you they are using your money for arbitrage, like sites like COTP and the rest. I'm not talking about those sites. I'm talking about a bot that you can design yourself, and you also start making money with it. Now, like I said, it is very, very simple. This site is very, very simple to use. You can just, for example, let us just look at triangular arbitrage. You know, triangular arbitrage would involve more than one exchange. It involves like maybe 2-3 exchanges to be able to do triangular arbitrage. Now, let me just impute 1000 USD here and see what arbitrage is going to bring for us. Now, as you can see, this is 1000 USD and there is an arbitrage opportunity of LTC. You buy LTC of $1,000 and then you send it and exchange it for Rari in sex.io. After exchanging it for Rari, then you send it to Coinbase Pro and sell for profit, and you'll be making around 126 USD. And if you check, like I said, if we check, for example, we click on that, you're going to see some details. And even if you click here, it will tell you this is another, it has changed, it is changing. So this one is for SOL, and you're going to make around 146 USD doing that. So it will tell you how much you're going to buy. It will tell you the trading charges. It will tell you the final buy price. And for this one, it's saying that there's no trading charges. That means that it's a good one. Then when you send it to the next exchange, it's going to tell you how much you're going to get. And it says that you're going to use 999 USD to buy USDT. You're going to get USDT. And then you are going to change it. You are going to change it to Rari. And here you have the sell price for Rari. You have the charges, the transfer charges. You have the network. You have the trading charges, and then we have the final sell price. And so if you check, it's going to tell you the transfer time. You check here, it's going to tell you, it says you are going to do this within 23.50 minutes. Now it's going to tell you USDT transfer time is 20 minutes, block confirmation is 2, time per confirmation is 10 minutes, and then network is going to be BEP20 for that one. So for CoinNight, it's going to show you all the details you needed before you start a trade. Like I mentioned earlier, you need to check some things before you initiate arbitrage. And one of those things is that you need to know if there is enough volume before you trade. If there is no enough volume, then you might end up in loss. So for example, on this site now, we have arbitrage opportunities. We have them on this site, and what happens is if I want to check, I will just click on volume here and see which one has enough volume that I can quickly, go for, that I would profit from. So as you can see that it's presented this for me, then I can go for it. Another thing is you need to confirm if the site that you are sending a particular coin to is still accepting such a coin, because it might have been suspended. For example, on Binance, at a point, Ethereum Arbitrum 1 network was suspended. So if there is an opportunity for you to do arbitrage on Ethereum Arbitrum 1 network, that means that you will not be able to send it to Binance. And Binance listed Arbitrum 1 chain as one of the ways in which you can deposit your ETH. So you need to consider that and check. You need to reconfirm before you go ahead with your trading. Another thing is timing. How long will the trade last, or how long is it going to take you? Like I mentioned, if you are doing an arbitrage and it's going to take you like maybe 12 hours, for example, or 24 hours or 48 hours, those ones can be at a loss. But arbitrage like this, 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on, those are actual arbitrage that you can take opportunity of. So you need to consider that as well. Then another thing you need to check is the fee, because if you're unable to confirm the fee, you might end up losing your money, because some of these arbitrage scanner would not present the fee you will be charged along the way. They will just tell you there's an arbitrage here and then there's another arbitrage here. So if you just go ahead and buy it without confirming the fee, you might end up losing your money. So you need to confirm how much you'll be charged for a particular fee before you go ahead and start doing arbitrage. Then another thing is that you need to double check that the name of the coin that you are seeing on this site is actually the same coin that you are seeing on Coinbase Pro. It has happened to me before. At a point, I saw an arbitrage opportunity between is it Binance and MXC, or MXC and KuCoin? I can't remember. But the name of the coin I cannot forget is PROS, Pros. But I did not, then I was just starting up, I did not confirm if that PROS coin is the same as the one on Binance. What I did was, I just went straight up to KuCoin, I bought Pros, and I sent it to Binance. And at the end, I was told that the coin is not the same Pros that I thought I bought. So you need to confirm. And one way that you can confirm is through the picture of that coin. All of these exchanges would have the logo of each of those coins. So you can confirm through the logo, not just the name, but through the logo of the coin. That is one way in which you can confirm. Another way you can confirm is to check up on CoinMarketCap. You'll be able to know if the particular coin you are looking for or you are looking at is available on all those exchanges. Another way is to ask the support, ask them questions, send them a message if you can make a deposit of a particular coin. If the coin is available, they will tell you, and if it is not, they will tell you it is not available. So these are some of the ways in which you can carry out crypto arbitrage without using your card. And if you have not watched the previous videos I did, you can go ahead and watch those videos and also start making money. Now, there are other sites that you can also use. For example, we have CryptoRank, we have Arbitrage, that is ARBY, then trade. So Arbitrage and all of that. Some of these sites are paid sites. You need to pay before you can gain access, and some of them are free. So you do want to check them up. And if you have any question, you can reach out to me. My Telegram link is in the description of this video. Before I go, I would like to say that arbitrage opportunity can come in various ways. And one of the reasons why we can have arbitrage is the difference between spot price and futures price. The difference between spot price and futures price, it presents an opportunity, and there we can get what is called funding rate arbitrage. And we also have the two-way kind of trading, which can also present an arbitrage opportunity. So I have this combined in a course, and you can reach out to me on my Telegram so that you have access to this course. So I would like to say that if you are new to this channel, I would like you to kindly subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified as soon as I drop new content. So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.